Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can clean data and we can handle null data. So we have the data loaded in our Tableau dashboard or Tableau application, for example. Okay, so right now it is showing only 1000. So let me do one thing. Let me load the data, uh, the whole set of data. So I put another 0, that means 10,000. We know that there is no 10,000 data, there is less than 10,000, but still I put 10,000, and we are seeing that there is total 3,205 data. Okay, so let's check this data as column provenience state. So if we go down a little at the bottom, you will see there are many null values are there. Okay, but we are not interested these null values, right? And we must need to clean this type of thing, otherwise we'll get uh, mismatched data, which doesn't make any sense. Okay, so to handle this type of thing, we need to clean this data. So there are some steps to do this thing. In this video I will show you how you can clean this type of data. Okay, so before going to the main tutorial, I will request you, if you still didn't subscribe to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, because I am going to publish a lot of other Tableau tutorials very soon. So if you subscribe and if you hit the bell button, you will get notified that I did something, and you can actually watch those tutorials and you can learn easily. Okay, so let's go to the video tutorial now. So here we are seeing these null values. Okay, so we want to handle those things. So here in Tableau, in the right side, there is like these three, they're just like thing all together. If you click here, it will sort based on this column. Okay, so see, it is sorting here. It is sorting from last alphabet to the beginning, and if we type again, click here, then it will sort based on the null value or something like that. Okay, so in this way it is showing now the empty value at the beginning. Okay, so if we right click and if we click describe, then it will show us this type of information, right? So it is showing that 138 unique values are there and null is there. So our target is to handle this null. Okay, null doesn't make any sense, or sometimes we need to clean this type of data. Okay, so what we can do, we can replace this null with some other meaningful value. Suppose I want to replace this null with like no information, something like that. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to right click, and then from this menu there is one option, this is called aliases. So we have to click there, and then it will show us this type of thing. Now we have to figure out what is the null value. Okay, so if we scroll and continuously, it is alphabetically sorted like A B C D, something like that. Okay, so here if we come here, then we are seeing there is null. Okay, so these values are null. So we don't need this thing, we have to change this null to no information. For example, no information or no data, for example, no data. Okay, and then hit OK button, and what it will do, it will actually give us those things like no data. If we go there, like if we go a little bit, see, we are seeing no data. Okay, so in this way you can easily clean your data, or if you need to replace some values, or if you need to modify some of the values of the entire data set, you can easily do from the alias. Right click and then choose alias. So that's all. In this way you can easily clean the data set which you loaded, or if you need to replace some data with some letter or word or some meaningful sentence, you can easily do. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video. In the next video we'll see more way how we can actually modify this data set. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.